Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you all. As you can see, we have done already the patch test for this gentleman on the lower lips, both on the left side as well as the right side. So as you can see, both the places the output is success and he's very happy with that. So now we are going to proceed on the remaining places of his lip. Many of them clients, while they are inquiring, they are mentioning that on the lip vitiligo we are using the darker tones. We are not using a darker tones. We are trying to match your skin tone with that lip tone. For example, his skin tone on the upper lips is little darker. I need to match the same lip tone, correct? I cannot able to go ahead and put a pink color or reddish tone or light brown color on his lip color. If I did that, then it will look awkward. So we'll match your skin tone and as per the lip color requirements. That's what we basically do. As you can see, both the sides of the lips, it's looking much more better healed and it's exactly matched his own lip, and we are proceeding with the full lips procedure now. So we have attached our contact number in our title, as well as the contact number is available in our description. If you guys have any more doubts, you can contact us. We have attached our location link also in the description. You can go through this. So when we do the lip vitiligo treatment, we highly recommend everyone to go through the patch test first. Patch test is nothing but, as you can see for him, we have done on the left side and the right side of the lip a small proportion. Then we have started done on the remaining places now. When we do the patch test, we can get to know easily whether our lip is observing the ink or not. So in that way, you can save a lot of money as well as you can save your better time also instead of doing with the full places. And many of them thinking that it's similar to the tattoo, and they are going and inquiring into the tattoo studios, are you going to do it, and getting the tattoo done on that place, and it's getting ruined and coming back to us like this and all happened with many clients. So please listen this very carefully. This is not tattooing procedure. This is 200% different from the tattooing procedure. It is called as micropigmentation lip blushing technique. With this technique, we can achieve the 80 to 90% of the permanent result. When I say permanent of this output, it will be stays up to the mark of 2 years to 5 years. So you never needs to worry about how this output is coming out. So if you have any more doubts, please feel free to contact us. Don't try with any of the amateurs or backyard operators and ruin your skin, because vitiligo skin is much more sensitive and it's more sensible than the normal skin. So it needs to be treated professionally and perfectly. I am Suresh Machu. I am the founder of Machu Tattoos, and I am a certified one of the member in the American Academy of Micropigmentation. So we have the certification for that. We are doing this from past 13 years now. And I would like to tell all my clients, please book an appointment and come down to the studio, because this can be done only by me. So we are taking an appointment on the daily basis, depends on that. So please book an appointment and then visit us. In that way we can help you much more better. We are getting clients from all over the world, not only from India, the people from Canada, Dubai, Qatar, Australia, people are coming and getting this vitiligo pigmentations done. But all we required is, please book an appointment and visit us. The day before yesterday, there was a client from Delhi. He came here without booking an appointment, and because of that, it made quite some time for him to wait and then getting it done. So it will reduce your waiting time also. So it's always better to book an appointment and visit us. Near to our studio, we have a lot of hotels, so you can stay over there and you can come here also. That is also a best option. And I attached our contact number in the description. Please do check it. Contact us before booking an appointment and visit us. So now the process is almost done. As you can see, we are achieved the exact result. Now I fast forwarded the video, so you may feel like I'm doing it so fast and rubbing it so hardly. No, it's not that. I'm rubbing it smoothly because of fast forward it's look like that. As you can see, this is exactly matched his lip. I am 200% sure he will get the exact output once it's got healed. So this is the much more permanent as well as the least maintenance without any medications. You can heal your vitiligo white patch pigments. So I will meet you on the next video. Don't die nude.